In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Made in Webflow on web. We're going to walk through exactly where this setting lives in your Webflow dashboard, what the toggle does, and what to expect if you're on a free plan versus a paid site plan. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can confidently remove the badge without hunting around. Start by opening your Webflow dashboard and head to the Sites area. This is where all of your projects live. Find the site you want to update and click into it to open the site settings. If you manage multiple workspaces or projects, take a second to make sure you're opening the correct site so the change applies to the right place. Inside the site settings, land on the General tab. Scroll until you see the option labeled Display Made in Webflow badge. This is the control that determines whether the Webflow credit shows on your site. Click the toggle to turn it off. That tells Webflow you don't want the branding visible. At this point, you'll likely see a note explaining that, to hide Webflow branding from the published site, you need a paid site plan. Go ahead and click that message to view plan options. This is Webflow's way of letting you know that the branding can be disabled in settings, but it won't actually disappear from the live published version of your site until a paid plan is active. The good news is that once you choose a plan that fits your needs and follow the prompts, the toggle you set will take effect on the published site. After reviewing the plans and completing the upgrade, return to your site's general settings and double-check that Display Made in Webflow badge is set to off. If it's off, you're set. The badge will no longer appear on the published site. If the toggle looks disabled or won't stay off, it usually means the plan change hasn't finalized yet, so give it a moment and then check again. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Interface labels may shift slightly over time, but the setting remains in your site's general settings. If you manage many sites, confirm you're in the correct project before changing the toggle. And remember, the toggle alone doesn't remove the badge on a free plan. The paid site plan is required for the change to reflect publicly. That's it. You've located the correct setting, turned off the badge, and understood how the paid plan requirement affects what shows on your published site.